Hundreds of Hong Kong protesters, including flight attendants, staged a rally at the airport's arrival hall Friday, July 26. The cavernous hall, usually filled with friends and relatives waiting to greet loved ones, are now full of protesters chanting anti-government slogans, holding banners, and handing out flyers. The protesters say they aim to educate visitors about the unprecedented demonstrations happening for almost 2 months in the city after the controversial extradition bill and its suspension by Chief Executive Carrie Lam.